After I would have drained my horn, I'm going to take the pull-through cloth and I pull it from the bore of the horn this way because hello saxo friends, Katrin here, the Sax Habit Coach, bringing you the best practice tips, tools and ideas to help you as a beginner saxophone player develop the practice habits and routines to master your saxophone faster. Now my purpose is to serve, motivate and to inspire you. So if it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button and remember, turn on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So today we're talking about caring for the saxophone. So after every practice or every use of your horn, you want to clean the horn to ensure its durability over a long period of time. Now guys, this doesn't take more than about 5 minutes for you to do, and if you do it often enough, then it will become a habit and you won't even be thinking about doing so. All right, so after you would have practiced or played your saxophone, you want to clean the neck, right? You want to swab the neck of the horn. You also want to swab and clean the mouthpiece as well. Now, I have seen some saxophone mouthpieces and they were so full of gunk, I wondered how a person could put such mouthpiece in their mouth. After you would have played the horn, you want to drain it of any fluid that is inside caused by your saliva and of course the condensation between the heat and the cold, especially when you're in winter. After I would have drained my horn, I'm going to take the pull-through cloth and I pull it from the bore of the horn this way because all the fluid that you'll experience in your horn is usually at the top of the horn where your palm keys and your side keys are. That's where most of the fluid will be lodged. So you don't want to pull it down through the horn toward the bell. You want to pull your pull-through cloth from the bell out through the top part of your saxophone. And then you want to take your cloth and you want to wipe the saxophone down because there will be a lot of marks left on the horn caused by the perspiration from your fingers and so on. Now, what you also want to do once per week, like I do, is that you take the mouthpiece and the neck and you rinse them with water, right? And you wash them. Your reed especially, you want to make sure that you wipe your reeds because those, if you're using cane reeds, they will build up bacteria and you don't want to get sick from that. I spoke about saxophone lung in a past video and I'll link the cards right here where I shared with you that if you don't clean your horn, you could get what is called saxophone lung, a lung-like disease caused from not cleaning your wind instrument. Now, another tip that I want to share with you is that also once per week you do a deep clean of your horn. So you will spend about 5 minutes on a daily basis to just wipe it down, swab it and so on. But on a weekend you take an art brush, like I have a few of these brushes in various sizes. I have large all the way down to a little tiny one, right? And then I use them according to the space in between the posts of my horn. So then if I was cleaning my horn, I would take this large one and I wrap it in the terry cloth, and because the bristles on the brush is so soft, it's not going to damage the lacquer on my saxophone. And then I am going to go in between the spaces and I'm going to gently wipe and clean my horn to get rid of any dust that is lodged there, any dirt, any scuff mark that is there. I am going to do that, and it will take about 45 minutes to an hour to get through the process because it's something that you don't want to do in rush because again, you don't want to damage the springs on your saxophone or break anything. So you need to have some time on your hands in order to do a deep clean on your horn, and that will guarantee that over a long period of time your horn will remain in pristine conditions. So guys, I've also made another video where I showed you where to get and how to find your cleaning kits for your saxophone. I'll link it in the cards above. You can check that video as well. But every single day you should clean your horn after every practice so that you can maintain the sheen and the durability of your horn. As always guys, push play until something happens. Peace.